Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the business landscape by offering innovative solutions to enhance efficiency, productivity, and growth. Here are some key ways AI is being used in business. 1. Automation and efficiency. Task automation. AI can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic and value-added activities. This includes automating data entry, report generation, and routine customer service inquiries through chatbots. Hyper-automation, combining AI with technologies like robotic process automation, RPA, to automate complex business processes, leading to increased efficiency and reduced costs. 2. Enhanced decision-making data analytics. AI systems can process large volumes of data quickly and accurately, providing insights that help in making informed decisions. This includes analyzing customer behavior, market trends, and operational data to optimize strategies. Predictive analytics. AI can predict future trends and outcomes based on historical data, aiding in strategic planning and risk management. 3. Customer experience and engagement. Personalized interactions. AI enables businesses to offer personalized customer experiences through recommendation systems and personalized marketing campaigns. Powered customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants provide real-time, accurate responses to customer inquiries, improving service efficiency and customer satisfaction. 4. Innovation and product development. Generative AI. AI models capable of creating original content, such as text and images, are transforming marketing and content creation. Businesses leverage these models for personalized marketing campaigns and creative assets. New product development. AI helps identify new opportunities and predict future trends, facilitating the development of innovative products and services. 5. Industry-specific applications. Healthcare. AI is used for diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and analyzing large datasets for insights. Financial services. AI aids in fraud detection, risk management, and real-time decision-making for transactions. Manufacturing and maintenance. Predictive maintenance and optimization of production processes are common AI applications in the industrial sector. 6. Challenges and considerations. While AI offers numerous benefits, businesses must also consider challenges such as ethical implications, data privacy, and the need for transparency in AI systems. Ensuring responsible AI practices is crucial for building trust with customers and stakeholders. Overall, AI is a powerful tool that, when implemented effectively, can significantly enhance business operations and drive innovation across various industries.